This presentation provides the steps required to grant permissions to view billing-related information to an AWS user. Note: you will have to log in with your root account to activate the IAM user billing permissions. In preparation for this presentation, you should have already completed the AWS account configurations described in the videos and tutorials from earlier lessons from this course. At a high level, the steps required to activate and grant permissions to view billing in AWS include: using a root account to log into the AWS console, select the My Account option, activate the IAM access service, and attach the billing policy to an AWS user. To test the account you added the billing permissions to, log out as root, and log back in with the recently modified account and see if the billing information is now available. The next slides provide the details and screen captures associated with each of these steps. To log into AWS as root, go to the AWS Sign-On console. After you have selected to log in with the root account, enter the root username, and then select Next to enter your root password. After entering the password, click on Sign In. Assuming the multi-factor authentication has been correctly implemented from the previous lessons in this course, use your smartphone to retrieve the latest MFA code. Recall, you will use the Google Authenticator or similar app on your smartphone to retrieve the MFA code. Then, enter the code on the form and click on Submit. The AWS console will be displayed upon a successful login. Using the arrow on the right side of the account, select My Account. Scroll down until you see the IAM user and role access to billing information option. Edit this field to select the Activate IAM Access. Then, click on Update. Upon successful activation, the IAM user role access to billing information will indicate it has been activated. While still logged in as root, select the IAM service from the AWS console. The IAM dashboard will be displayed. Select Groups from the left side of the IAM dashboard. Using the AWS Groups, we will assign the billing permissions to one of the existing groups. You could also create a new group if you wanted to isolate billing information from administration functionality. Next, select the Attach Policy button. After selecting the Attach Policy button, use the search filter to search for billing. Check the selection box to the left of the billing policy. Then select Attach Policy. Once the policy has been attached to the group, it will be visible in the policy list. Also, any users who are members of that group will also have that permission. Notice, in the image on the right, the user has the policies associated with the group they are associated. After the policies have been successfully applied to the group, log out from the root account by selecting the Sign Out option from the menu. Next, log into the account you just assigned the billing policy and select the billing options to view the new permissions. Upon success, many different options become available for applying credits, listing payment history, exploring costs, and more. It is a security best practice to not use the AWS root account for day-to-day activities such as monitoring the billing and account status. Following a few simple steps included this video, such as logging into the AWS console as root, clicking on My Account, editing IAM user and role access, selecting the IAM service, selecting the admin group and attaching the billing policy will assure billing options and information are available to right groups and users within the AWS cloud. The references used are included on this page.